Hello, welcome to all. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படினா properties of steam கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணலாம் ப்ராப்ளம் மூலமா அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So our problem, calculate volume, density, enthalpy and entropy of 2 kg of steam at 80 degrees Celsius and having a dryness fraction of 0.85. அதாவது the mass of the steam is given as, so first of all we should write given data. So what is our given data? Mass of the steam. So first data, the mass of the steam is given as 2 kilogram. Then the steam temperature is at 80 degrees Celsius. Steam temperature is maintained at 80 degrees Celsius. Next one, dryness fraction of 0.85, that is the quality of steam. So this dryness fraction value is 0.85, that indicates the wet steam. Okay, so the steam indicates the wet steam. So you have to calculate the value of steam properties for the wet steam condition only. So what are the parameters to be calculated? First one, volume. Our first question is volume. And second question, density, and third question, enthalpy, and fourth question, entropy. So these four properties to be calculated by using the given data. ப்ராப்ளத்துல நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா steam table குண்டான properties அவங்களே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So solution, next step, solution. Listen, since the dryness fraction value is given as 0.85, that is the quality of steam is 0.85, it is less than 1, so the given steam condition is wet steam. So we have to calculate the properties for wet steam condition. Volume value, volume is to be calculated, our first step. So for wet steam, what are the required formulas we should know about? For wet steam condition, enthalpy H equal to HF plus X into HFG, entropy S equal to SF plus X into SFG, specific volume V equal to X into VG. So these are the things to calculate the values. Okay, the formula use பண்ணி values calculate பண்ணலாம். So our first question, volume கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So how can you calculate the volume value? So this is our first question. So volume, specific volume equal to dryness fraction 0.85 into VG value, that is at 80 degrees Celsius. What is the value of VG? At 80 degrees Celsius the value of VG is 3.4091. So 3.4091. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணி பார்த்தோம்னா என்ன ஆன்சர் வருதோ you can get the value of specific volume in meter cube per kilogram. This value is for only for single mass. Okay, so but our mass of the steam is 2 kilogram, so we have to multiply the value with 2. What is the final answer of specific volume? That is meter cube. Okay, now how can you calculate the enthalpy? Density to be calculated last. Enthalpy, this is the second step. So enthalpy H equal to HF. So H equal to HF value at 80 degrees Celsius. What is the value of HF? 334.9 plus X value 0.85 into HFG value is given as 2308.9. So first of all you should multiply 0.85 with 2308.9 and then add with 334.9. So you get the value of enthalpy in terms of kilojoule per kilogram. So you have to multiply the mass 2 into that particular answer. You get the answer in kilojoule, enthalpy. Then third step, entropy. S equal to SF plus X into SFG. So S equal to SF value at 80 degrees Celsius. What is the value of SF? 1.075 plus X value 0.85 into SFG value 6.538. So 6.538. So multiplied the answer and it is added with 1.075. You get the answer of specific entropy for 1 kilogram mass of the steam. So our mass is 2 kilograms. So I have to multiply it by 2. You get the answer in terms of kilojoule. Okay. Then the last step, density. How can we calculate the value of density? Listen. Density equal to, we know, mass by volume. This is the general relation. That mass by volume, it can be represented as specific volume. That is 1 by specific volume. 1 by specific volume. So density rho equal to 1 by specific volume small v. It can be calculated by 1 divided by specific volume. Answer is how much? So this is the value of specific volume that is to be substituted here. So you get the answer of density of the steam. How much? Okay. So this is the problem solution for this first kind of problem. Okay. This is the second problem. Calculate the volume, density, enthalpy and entropy of 2 kg of water at 2 bar and 80 pressure. Here the dryness fraction value is not given. So you have to calculate the value. Considered it is as the dry saturation condition steam. Okay. So our given data is mass is given. So mass m equal to 2 kg and pressure is given as 2 bar pressure and temperature as 80 degrees Celsius. And temperature as 80 degrees Celsius. The properties are given for 80 degrees Celsius temperature. So you can choose the temperature value. Our calculated parameters. So to find first one volume and second one density, third one enthalpy, fourth one entropy. Okay. So these things are to be calculated. எப்படி நம்ம calculate பண்ணலாம். So previous problemல dryness fraction என்ன கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க 0.85. So we can take it as the superheated steam கிடையாது, dry steam கிடையாது, dryness fraction கொடுத்தனால wet steam னு எடுத்து பண்ணோம். இப்போ here the dryness fraction value is not given. So you can take it as the assumption dry saturation condition. Assume dry saturation condition. Okay. So this is the condition and then your value should be, how can we take it as, first of all volume. So for dry saturation condition volume is equal to, that is V equal to Vg. So how can we write the required answer? So the specific volume of dry steam equal to Vg value. At 80 degrees Celsius the Vg value is 3.4091 meter cube per kilogram. Since mass is given as 2 kilogram, so you should multiply it by 2. 2 into 3.4091. How much amount of meter cube? Okay. Then second question, enthalpy. And second one enthalpy. For enthalpy of dry saturation condition steam, H equal to Hg. Okay. H equal to Hg. So the value of enthalpy is at 80 degrees Celsius, Hg value is 2643.8 kilojoule per kilogram. Our mass is 2 kilograms, so you should multiply it by 2. 2 into 2643.8. How much amount of kilojoule? Okay. Then third question, entropy. So how can you derive the value of entropy? S is equal to Sg. That Sg value is nothing but 7.613. So 7.613 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Our mass is 2 kilograms, so 2 into 7.613. How much amount of kilojoule per Kelvin? Okay, since mass is replaced. Now the last one, density. Density value can be calculated as density equal to mass per volume or specific volume reciprocal. Okay, mass per volume or specific volume reciprocal. So here our mass is 2 kilogram, or you have to convert it into specific volume ratio reciprocal. 1 divided by specific volume answer. This is this answer. So this is the density. Okay, how much amount of answer? Kilogram per meter cube. So this is the second problem. Okay, now the third kind of problem. Find the enthalpy and entropy of steam when the pressure is 2.1 megapascal and specific volume is 0.09 meter cube per kilogram. Okay, so how can we derive the required answer? Our steam pressure is given as, so given data, our steam pressure is 2.1 megapascal and specific volume is 0.09 meter cube per kilogram. So these two data are given, so we have to calculate our calculated parameters. First one enthalpy and second one entropy. Okay, and second one entropy. So before that we should convert the units of pressure. So because the steam properties are given as for bar, since the value is given, correct or not, check it. 2.1 bar can be written as 2.1 into mega means 10 power 6 pascal. That is equal to, this 10 power 6 can be written as 10 power 1 into 10 power 5. Okay, we know 10 power 5 into pascal equal to 1 bar. So remaining term 2.1 into 10 bar. So 2.1 into 10 means 21 bar. So the properties are given for 21 bar, correct. Okay, so and the next step, the condition of steam is not given. The condition of steam is not given. So what is the condition of steam? Whether it may be dry steam or wet steam or superheated steam, which type of steam is, so this is to be calculated. Okay, how can we calculate? Here the volume is given, specific volume is given. Specific volume கொடுத்ததனால அதுல இருந்து நம்ம எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ண போறோம் அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம். Since the volume is given, the volume is given as V equal to 0.09 meter cube per kilogram. Okay, 0.09 per meter cube per kilogram. Okay, now at 21 bar, what is the value of Vg? Dry saturation condition. Vg value is 0.094902. Okay, compare the value 0.09 and 0.094902. Which one is greater than value? This is 0.0949 is greater than 0.09. So V is less than Vg. Okay, therefore this condition of steam is wet steam. The condition of steam is wet steam. Okay, wet steam irukku. So wet steam anchina, what is the value of dryness fraction? That is very important. So எப்படி நம்ம dryness fraction value calculate பண்ணலாம்? Dryness value fraction calculate பண்ணது பாருங்க. Volume கொடுத்ததனால for wet steam condition, for wet steam condition கொடுத்ததனால நமக்கு wet steam க்கு formulas என்னது? Volume of wet steam equal to x into Vg. That's all. Since specific volume is given, I prefer V equal to x into Vg. இப்போ enthalpy கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா H equal to H of plus x into H of g. entropy கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா S equal to SF plus X into SFG இந்த மாதிரி தான் ஓகேவா. the next one, so X equal to V divided by Vg, so V value is 0.09 divided by Vg value is 0.094902. what is the value? It should be less than 1. okay, now X value is calculated here. So our question is enthalpy. Now you go to solve the question. Enthalpy, since it is the wet steam, for wet steam condition enthalpy formula H equal to HF plus X into HFG. So HF value is taken from the table 919. So this is 919.9. X value is taken from previous stuff. HFG value is taken from the table 1878.3. so you can get the value of H, kilojoule per kilogram. okay, here the mass is not given, so we take it as 1 kilogram. Then last one, entropy. Similarly, entropy values S equal to SF plus X into SFG. so you take the data from SF value as 2.470 plus X value is taken as the dryness fraction value, quality of steam சொன்னலையா, X value போட்டுக்கலாம் இதுல இருந்து, this value, and SFG is taken from the given table 3.849. so by making calculation you can get the value of entropy as kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you.